The Brother DCP-L2520DW is the perfect monochrome laser printer for your small office or work group. This compact machine offers reliability, value, and easy connectivity. Brother was awarded the 2013 PC Mag Business Choice Award for printers and was ranked #1 in satisfaction and reliability. Enjoy reliable, high-quality printing at up to 27 pages per minute. But that's not all. You'll find plenty of ways to help boost your productivity with money and time-saving features, including two-sided printing helps save paper. Convenient walk-up copying and high-quality color scanning. Print 2 times more and help reduce operating costs by using a high-yield replacement toner cartridge. Toner Save Mode helps reduce toner use when printing less critical documents. Save paper by printing multiple pages on a single sheet with N-in-1 printing. The 250-sheet paper capacity helps reduce time-consuming paper refills. It's simple to set up the machine on your wireless network. You're not tethered to your desk when you can print from your mobile device using AirPrint, Brother iPrint and Scan, Google Cloud Print, Cortado Workplace, and Wi-Fi Direct. You'll get all of this, plus free phone support for the life of your product. Brother, at your side.